Caleb, I have some bad news. The test results are in, and you're a bird.
Crikey, mate! This is incredible! As you can see here, we have a wild Caleb bird in its natural habitat. It's doing its mating call right now. This is such an amazing creature. Anyway, I'm Roger Irwile. Shut the bloody up! I'm Roger Irwile. Shut up! I'm Roger Irwile. Shut up! I'm Roger Irwile, and this is Big News. Crikey!
Before I was a bird, I was a human. Now because I'm a bird, I'm not a human anymore. And it's been really hard to cope with.
Ah, it's too close!
Hi, my name is Rachel,
And I'm Bob.
and we are some of Caleb's closest friends.
Yes, and we are very sad that Caleb is a bird.
Yeah, we're very, very sad.